everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. So we have children in need coming up, so I thought I'd show you this really cute Pudsey Bear tutorial. So I'm starting off by placing the hair into pigtails. So you want this nice and smooth. I used a little bit of wax spray, then the brush and then the comb as well. Little Danny's got a lot of hair, so this actually took quite a bit of time, but don't worry if you haven't got the time, just put those pigtails in. So I've done that side, the same on the other side again with the wax spray, brushing that into place and securing nice and tightly. So you're going to come back to one of the pigtails and I want you to just loosen off that pigtail a little bit. It'll make the next part a little bit easier. Then I got a topsy tail, push that through so the tail end's pointing towards the face. And then you just want to put the very tail end of the pigtail in. It just makes it easier when you're trying to pull it through. Obviously, if there's fine hair, it's easier. And then you're just going to tighten that up afterwards. Then you're going to get a little elastic, secure the elastic there. You can either do a little braid or a twist braid, or if you haven't got a lot of hair, you don't need to do that bit at all. And then you're going to almost fold that up into that hair. So once you've got it in sort of like a little bear shape, I want you to just secure it with some grips. So again, on this side, I've just put the elastic down, done my little twist braid, secured that off, and then kind of like rolled that hair up into that bun shape. And I've kind of like squidged it with my fingers to make it more flat. Again, I'm securing with some long hair grips. And then next we're going to go onto Pudsey's little eye patch. So I just cut out some white material, made some coloured dots just with felt tip pens. And then I'm going to just get some sort of medium-sized grips now and secure that into place. I was trying to sort of hide the grips in that bun so you couldn't see. And then gently, gently bring it over the eye, bring it all the way round the back. And again, I'm just getting some medium-sized grips and just securing that into place, then covering with a little bow. This is our finished result. Great for crazy hair day, World Book Day. Let me know in the comments.